Hello guys, welcome to PROWEBTIPS.com. Today we are going to see how to add a button on Astra theme in your menu bar. So let's get started. So just open your browser, then your WordPress site dashboard. You should active your Astra theme. Then click here and visit your site. I have already opened it. You can see there is the menu bar, but there isn't any button, so we are going to add a button. Just click customize. Okay, now just click here header. Okay, then primary menu, and you can see there the last item in menu, so we are going to select here a button. Okay, you can see there it is a button, so you can add anything here, like I am going to add a donate button. Okay, now you can put your donation link. Okay, after that you also customize this button. There is a button style, theme style. You can also select like header button. Okay, otherwise you can change color, border style, padding. Okay, like we are going to change the border style. Yeah, now it's great. So there it is. So short video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any suggestion or problem, you can comment. Or thanks for watching.